As discussed, the next thing that we have to perform is to send this data script details to an email, right? To do that, we have to use mail activities. Click mail and you can see there are no email activities available to us. Let's go ahead and install them. Manage packages and then move to official and just type mail. Here you will be able to see the mail activities. So as you can see, it's already available. Okay, let's set that to the new version and click on install. Okay, if I just go back to activities now, I should be able to see them right here. Okay, fine. Just go to the end of the process and here go to SMTP and pick send SMTP mail message. So this is the basic thing that we'll be using right here. If you're working with Outlook, you can use this. If you're trying to work with Exchange, you can use these activities to receive, to get Exchange emails and to send Exchange emails. And if you're trying to work with IBM Notes, you can use this. Similarly, whatever meets your requirement, you can pick that particular activity available from here. Now, as we are trying to send an email from the Gmail, okay, I have been using this. If I move on to the activities, activity properties, you can see there are a lot of things available to us which we have to provide right now. So in the host, port display name. So this is something we will get from the internet for the Gmail. It's 587, and then the server display name will be smtp.gmail.com. Don't be worried about this particular thing. You can Google it. You can just type port numbers, okay, our server name for Gmail, smtp, okay, and it will be able to display you these values. Okay, we have supplied those values. Next is to enter the values, okay, of from which mail you want to trigger this email. Okay, I want to send it from my temporary email ID, okay, which is say this, and then I'll just click on continue, and for the password I can just pass something, okay, randomly. Don't try to hack it. Once that is done, so it is still there is an error because we haven't passed the 2, right? So to whom do we have to send this? We have to send this to a person who is available in the queue. If I just go back to the queues and go to this grade queue and look at the transactions, here I should be able to find the details of to whom I have to send this email. This is this particular email, right? So going back to here, I will just type, because I have those particular details available in my in transaction item available dot specific content, and what is the column name? Column name is mail ID. Just copy this, go back to this, and enclosed between double quotations, enter this and toString. Fine. So this is the person to whom we have to send the email. What should be the subject name? So here, details of whom. Sorry for the spellings. Details of whom? Of that particular person, right? So just mention his name here. To have his name, you can directly type it over there, or I'm trying to copy the value from here. Just copy that and pasting right here. Okay, so I'm in the subject I have mentioned details of this person, and in the body, what do we mention in the body? In the body, we will try to mention all the details that we have displayed in message box. Just copy this and then select the send SMTP mail message and go ahead with the body, say hi, then introduce a new line which is VBLF, then another VBLF to make it more clear, and then paste the value that you have copied. Okay, so it will just display all those values into your email. If you want, you can just put some more information to it. Obtained marks. Okay, these are some things that will make the code more understandable. Okay, beside obtained marks, you will be able to see the obtained marks, and this is the new line, and here after that grade. Okay, and grade, and here percentage, colon, here percentage, and here GPP, right? GPP. Okay, once that is done, just do two more VBLFs. Okay, and then just type regards, comma, then another VBLF, then robot, right? Cool. So this will be able to display the information in the email. So just save it and we'll be able to send out an email. But as you can see, providing some credentials directly through this will lead to security issues. But we don't want that to happen. Okay. In this case, what we can do is we can just replace them with something that we can fetch from the orchestrator.